Today we're making a delicious cranberry brie bread bowl appetizer. I hope you're ready because this week is all about Thanksgiving recipes. To kickstart this Thanksgiving special edition cooking marathon, we're starting off with this super easy yet very delicious appetizer. Let's get started. First things first, we need a bread bowl, typically found in the bakery section of your local grocery store. We're going to start by cutting off the top like so. You want to cut enough off so we can place our brie inside our bread bowl, but not too deep that we don't have any height to the walls of the bread bowl, if that makes sense. This looks good. Next we need our brie. If you can, pick a brand that says triple creme on it. Take your cheese out of its pretty package, plastic wrap and all. This recipe suggests slicing off the top and bottom bits of the rind, exposing the cheese inside. I, however, rather enjoy the rind, so I'm going to leave it on. Although if you are making this for a party you're hosting, you might want to go ahead and just take it off, as not everyone who likes brie also likes the rind. For our next step, we need to take a knife and cut an outline in our bread bowl all the way around our wheel of cheese. Do this without cutting into your cheese. Once you have the outline, remove the cheese and go back in, making slightly deeper cuts as close to the bottom as you can go without actually cutting through the bottom. Then scoop out the insides. You should have a perfect form-fitting hole for your brie to slide right into. This is the perfect time to check if you've pulled out enough bread or not. If I wasn't keeping the top and bottom pieces of the rind on, this would be the perfect depth. But as it looks, we could probably stand to take out a bit more. If you're in the same boat, pop the cheese out and scoop out some more. Super easy fix. Much better. Now that we have our cavity perfectly sized, we're gonna take a little bit of olive oil and coat the inside of our bread bowl. Follow that up with a little sprinkling of salt and pepper. That looks good. Next we need some fresh thyme leaves. Pull off the leaves and sprinkle the inside. The recipe calls for a total of 2 tablespoons spread equally between the bottom and top portions of the brie. I don't know, that sounds like a lot to me, but use it at your discretion. To finish this bread bowl, we're going to slice into the sides of the bowl, spacing anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches, cutting only 3/4 of the way down. That way, after we bake this, your guests can pull off a piece of the bread bowl and use it to scoop out that deliciously melted cheese. Lastly, we need 1/2 cup of cranberry sauce. You can buy this from a can or come back for tomorrow's video where I'll show you how to make this cranberry sauce from scratch. Now, you have 2 options. You can either spoon your cranberry sauce directly on top of the brie and bake it like that, or you can do what I'm doing and spoon it into a ramekin to be baked alongside the brie. And why am I doing this? I was worried that since there was no lip to my bread bowl that my cranberry sauce might just slide right off the top or dribble down the sides of my bowl while in the oven. It's personal choice, I just didn't want to make a mess in the oven. Into the oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes depending on your oven. Here's an ingredients list. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I will be posting Thanksgiving related videos every day this week, and if you stuck with me thus far in the video, you probably know what's going down tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.